Welcome back. Mike Strand here from StrandVision Digital Signage.
Today we'll talk about installing our digital signage software on a Windows PC. First off, head to www.strandvision.com. Then we're going to log in. Once you're logged in, you hover over signage pages and click on View Signage. On this page, you'll see there's many different ways to display the signage. First thing you'll notice is there's a playback for location, and this is for each StrandVision subscription that you have active. I have 2 active in my account. I'm going to select the top one. This actually determines what information will display below. Next, we'll click on Play Your Signage on a TV display, which just moves you down the page. Here you'll see there's a link for instructions and upgrading and that kind of thing. For the most part, all you really need to do though is download and run the Windows installer from the second bullet. Once it's installed, it's going to ask for a location, username, and password. The username and password you'll get from the 4th bullet here, based on the subscription that you're trying to activate. And the location is actually for your reference. In case it stops communicating with our server, then an email will get sent to the technical contacts and administrators. So we'll go ahead and run this. We'll download the Windows installer. If you're running Internet Explorer, you can actually run it directly. Otherwise, you have to save it to your desktop. Once it's downloaded, you'll see the StrandVision install.exe. Double click on it. It will ask for permission if you're running in Windows 7 or higher. In most cases, you can just accept the default. Click Next. It'll do some initialization when it first starts to download programs from the server cloud. Once it's done with the one-time initialization, it's going to ask for a username and password. If you only have one StrandVision subscription, you can use any username and password. Otherwise, you need to use the one specified in that 4th bullet. At this point, I'm just going to go ahead and use my normal one. And for location, you want to put something that is meaningful, that describes where the screen or the PC is located. Because if it ever stops communicating with our server cloud, an email goes to all the technical contacts listed in your account. If there are no technical people, it goes to the administrators of the account. Once you've entered the information, it validates it and begins downloading information from the server for your account. Once all the downloads are finished, it pops up the signage and you're done. If you have any questions about installing your Windows software or anything else digital signage related that we can help you with, please give us a call at 715-235-7446. Email us at sales@strandvision.com. And of course, visit our website at www.strandvision.com for lots of information. Next week, we'll talk about installing our Linux digital signage media player. We look forward to catching up with you then, and have a marvelous year-end holiday season.